Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPad user, you know how quickly things can pile up in your trash, taking up valuable storage space. In this video, we'll walk you through how to empty the trash on your iPad in 2025. It's a simple process that can help keep your device running smoothly and free up some room for all those new apps and photos. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start with the Photos app, where most people accumulate deleted pictures. Open the Photos app on your iPad. It's the one with the colorful flower icon. Once you're in, tap on the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you see Recently Deleted. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your recently deleted photos and videos. To empty them permanently, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the items you want to delete, or tap Select All for everything, then hit Delete at the bottom. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so double-check before tapping Delete again. This step is crucial to avoid losing anything important. Next, let's handle the Files app, which manages your documents, downloads, and other files. Launch the Files app from your home screen. Go to the Browse tab at the bottom, then under Locations, look for Recently Deleted. Tap on it to view the files waiting to be purged. Select the files by tapping them, or use Select All if you're clearing everything out. Once selected, tap the trash icon or the Delete option at the bottom. Again, confirm your action to ensure you're good to go. In 2025, Apple has made these processes even more intuitive with potential updates like quicker access or search features in the trash bins, but the core steps remain similar. A quick tip: always review your trash before emptying it, as some files might be recoverable only for a limited time, like 30 days in Photos. If you're running low on storage, this can free up gigabytes instantly. And there you have it. Emptying the trash on your iPad is straightforward and helps maintain your device's performance. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.